Invite code. Invite code. Invite code. This is all that is trending across social media right now. There are already a lot of videos about it on YouTube, but no one has properly explained how to get the Sora 2 invite code. But today, I am going to show you a 100% working method through which you can get unlimited Sora 2 invite codes. It took me 2 full days to make this video, so please give this video a like right now and subscribe to the channel before we get started. So, without wasting any more time, let us begin the video. Whether you are using a mobile phone or a PC, the first thing you need to do is use a VPN, because Sora 2 has been officially launched only in the USA and Canada. People from other countries will need to use a VPN to access it. Now, the best VPN for this is Urban VPN, which is completely free. It is available as an extension for both Chrome and Edge browsers, and it is also available for Android phones and Windows. As you can see, I already have this extension installed, and you can also install it on your browser or on Windows if you prefer. It is 100% free for Windows as well. Once you have installed it, go ahead and enable your VPN. I will enable mine now. Alright, the VPN is now active. Next, go to Sora.com. The first time you visit the website, you will see an interface like this. Simply click on Login. The link will also be available in the video description. Then click Login again, and sign in using your existing ChatGPT account. If you do not already have an account, you can simply sign up for one. Since I already have a ChatGPT account, I will log in using that. Now, you will be asked to enter your full name and date of birth, and then click Continue. After that, you need to create a username, then click Next, and that is it, your Sora account is now created. Now, it is time to enter the invite code. Click on Enter Invite Code, and here is where you will enter your code. So, where do you get this code from? Let me show you. You need to visit a website called Sora Invites. The link will be available in the description below. Once you visit the site, you will see an interface like this. On this site, people share their Sora invite codes with each other. Once you get a working code and your account becomes active, you will also need to share your own invite code there so that others can use it too. In this way, this website works as a community where everyone helps each other. To get a code, click on Invite Code and then select the line that says I promise. Copy it using Ctrl+C, paste it in the given box, and press Enter. It will then ask you how many codes you can provide. Do not worry about this, you can enter any number you like. For example, I am entering 4 and pressing Enter. Next, you will see a line that says I will reap with the code. Copy it, paste it below, and press Enter again. After that, you will see some codes appearing on the screen. Quickly copy one of those codes and paste it in your Sora account where it asks for the invite code, and then press Enter. Now, in this example, the code turned out to be invalid, because a lot of people are already trying to grab the codes as soon as they appear. As you can see, more than 475 people are waiting for new codes at any given moment. So, you have to work fast, copy and paste the code immediately. Otherwise someone else might use it before you. That is how I also activated my own account. I got my code from this same website. It might take some patience. Sometimes it takes 10 to 15 minutes or even 20 minutes. But keep trying until you get an active code. Now let me tell you about another method. Go to Google and search for Discord OpenAI. Click on the first link that appears that will take you to the official OpenAI Discord server. If you already have a Discord account, great. If not, you will need to create a new one. I already have one, but I will create a new account here just to show you the full process so that you do not face any problems later. Enter your display name, your date of birth, and then click Create Account. You will then need to complete a CAPTCHA verification. Next, enter your email address and click Claim Account. An email will be sent to your address. Verify your account using the link provided in that email. I have verified mine from my phone, so I will close this window now. Then you can select any interests you like and click Next. Continue with the prompts, or skip them if you prefer. Finally, click Finish, and the OpenAI server will be added to your Discord account. Once you have joined the server, you will see 2 options on the left-hand side, OpenAI Verification and Verification Help. Click on OpenAI Verification. Then click Verify with OpenAI. Mark the checkbox and click Visit Site. Start the verification process and click Authorize. Log in using the same ChatGPT account that you used earlier. After this, it will show you an estimated waiting time for your server access to be enabled. In my case, it shows around 132 minutes, which means approximately 2 hours. You will have to wait for that time, and once your account is activated, all the links that are currently disabled will become active. Right now, as you can see, none of the links are clickable because the account is still being verified. Now, let me show you my personal Discord account, which is already verified. Once your OpenAI account is verified, your interface will look like this. Click on the Sora 2 code link there. You will find the entire Sora community, where people constantly share their invite codes. You will see new codes being posted every few seconds. So, all you need to do is keep copying and pasting the codes in your Sora account until one of them works. Sometimes it might work on the first try, or it might take 10 or even 20 attempts. But just keep trying until your account gets activated. For example, let us try this code. I will copy it, paste it into Sora, and press enter. This one is also invalid, so I will try another one. Codes appear continuously here, so just keep trying new ones. If none of these methods work for you, I have thought of another solution. I will create a Telegram group through our Telegram channel. The link will be shared in the description. In that group, I will share the invite code from my own personal Sora account. Everyone who activates their account using my code will then share their own codes in the group as well. This way, we will never run out of codes, and everyone will be able to access Sora too. However, for this method to work, everyone must remain loyal and cooperative. Only then will the group be useful. So, go to the description and join our Telegram channel. I will create a new discussion group there and share its link. Once you join that group, use any code that works for you, and after your account is activated, share your own invite code in the group so others can use it too. That way, no one will have to struggle to find codes, and by helping each other, we can all use Sora 2 together. Now let me also show you how to share your own invite code once your account is active. Click on the 3 dots icon, then select Invite Friends. You will see your personal invite code displayed there. Simply copy that code and paste it into the Telegram group. You can also take a screenshot if you want. But please, stay loyal. Do not just take a code for yourself and then disappear without sharing yours later. Only if everyone contributes will this group be successful. So, friends, I hope you understood everything I explained in this video. If there is still something you did not understand, you can ask me in the comments below. And I also hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That is all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.